Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials. Sign into your Microsoft account and enable two-factor authentication for security. Once done, open Edge or an up-to-date Chrome or Firefox. Make sure browser extensions that block scripts are disabled. You will need a stable Wi-Fi connection and enough local storage to save images. Now head to the Creators section. This moves you from setup to first prompts. Make sure to follow any on-screen verification steps so the service recognizes. You now build the image prompt. Start with a concise subject, then add style and mood. For example, vintage portrait, warm tones, cinematic lighting. This clarifies intent. Once done, set aspect ratio like 16:9 or 1:1 and pick resolution. Make sure to add modifiers such as lens type, depth of field, or an artist reference if desired. You'll iterate, preview results, tweak adjectives and constraints, and rerun until the composition, lighting, and color balance match your vision. You're on the final stretch. Review generated images, use variation or upscale to improve detail, and select your preferred output. Once done, export as PNG or JPEG, confirm dimensions and color profile for your target use. If results are off, make sure to simplify the prompt and run smaller changes. If the tool fails, clear browser cache, disable blocking extensions, and retry. If stuck, reduce image size or complexity. Use these steps to finish cleanly and get reliable, reproducible images.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.